Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to set up a wood bed frame. First, unpack all components and verify you have every piece listed in the instructions. Gather your tools, such as a screwdriver, a wrench, and a rubber mallet. Clear a large, flat area in your room to give yourself plenty of space to work comfortably and safely during assembly. Next, begin by attaching the side rails to the headboard and footboard. Align the pre-drilled holes carefully. Insert the bolts and washers, then hand tighten them initially. Once all connections are made, use your wrench to tighten them securely. Remember, a snug fit is crucial for stability, but do not over-tighten and strip the wood. Now, it is time to add the crucial center supports. Many wood bed frames include one or more center beams, often with adjustable legs. These supports are vital for preventing mattress sagging and distributing weight evenly across the frame. Attach them according to your specific frame's design, making sure any support legs firmly touch the floor. Finally, position the wooden slats across the bed frame. Ensure they are evenly spaced to provide consistent support for your mattress. If your frame includes screws or clips for the slats, secure them now. Once all slats are in place and firm, you can carefully position your mattress on top. Enjoy your newly assembled, sturdy wood bed frame.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.